2 in-person events coming soon for wedding photographers. Let's talk about them in this video. First up, we got Banff. Banff is a hands-on learning experience put on by Focal, a company I'm a part owner of, and the lineup is quite stacked. We have, in no particular order, 2-man, so Erica and Lanny Mann are going to be there, Gabe McClintock, Nicole Ashley, and someone that I haven't met in real life yet, Fur Yeriasti. No, it's not it yet. I'll get there. And how it works is you go out into these beautiful locations with your mentor and you cycle between all of them. So you basically get a half-day workshop with all of the mentors. You get into your groups and the mentor will basically set the scene up as if they were on an elopement. It was their wedding day. This is what I would do in this scene. And then after they've done what they would usually do, they will turn it over to you. And you can, if you don't want to pose them, which is a bit intimidating to be like, all right, Nicole Ashley, now I'm going to step in right after you and pose a couple. That sounds daunting. You don't have to do that. If the mentors sense that you're a little bit hesitant to do that, they'll actually just stand off to the side. Nicole kind of started this whole thing where she would just stand over here and she would kind of do speed posing with the couples while somebody else was shooting it. And this takes a lot of the stress off of you. And also you get to see what looks good in your camera rather than trying to come up with an idea right there. Obviously you can, you're able to do kind of whatever you want, but it's very, very, very nice to be able to rely on one of the mentors. All the mentors are also doing a talk in the bad light portion of the day. So you get to go away with knowledge and also images from an amazing vacation in Banff. So the way that I started traveling with my business was I knew that they were 100% write-offs for my business. So I got to go and do something that I wanted in a place that I wanted to go to, and I got to write that off to my business. That just sounds kind of awesome to me. So if you're interested in seeing Banff, Canada, as well as taking some amazing portfolio images for your wedding day and learning from the best of the best, check out the link below. Focal, not a conference, Banff 2.0. And next up, Canada Photo Summit. Check out these faces in front of your screen right now. Sam Hurd, Eric Floberg, John Branch IV, Christine Tremoulet, Nova Marquina, and my wife Lindsay and myself also. So not a conference, Banff is the one that you get out and you take all the pictures in the real life. This is more of a theater style setting. So you're gonna come here, the theater, so I'm in the studio right now and the hotel is 1 block this way. The theater is 1.5 blocks that way. The restaurants are doing things and there's gonna be a big focus on the social activities as well. So you'll come, you'll learn some things, and more importantly, I think, you'll meet a lot of like-minded people. And what that does for your business is it actually gives you a friend that's going through the same. We all work in these weird kind of solo businesses. And in the early stages of my business, having friends that were also going through the same thing was way more beneficial than I ever could have imagined. So coming out to these events and meeting real people in real places from maybe other places in the world that you can bounce ideas off of and see what's working for them and what you can implement in your business, I think is one of the biggest reasons to come to these conventions, as well as it being a tax write-off as well. So Canada Photo Summit, come on out here. We got a stacked lineup as well. Both of these are really stacked lineups. I'm excited for September and October. So if you're interested in coming and hanging out at either of those places here in Canada. Also, interesting thing that's going to be coming out soon. I don't know if it's officially out yet, but I'm going to mention it now. Focal is now doing automated blogs, and you can do Insta blogs as well. And Insta blogs I'm the most excited about because I'm pretty lazy when it comes to blogging. And now that I can just upload my regular Instagram post and it will build and it'll actually make a nice little grid for you as well. That makes blogging so much easier for me. 10 images up in a carousel on Instagram, then very quickly they'll be up on my blog. Very, very excited about that. So there will be some intro offers since this is a new offering. So head on over to the bookfocal.com/Taylor link to learn a little bit more about that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you here in Canada or maybe over on the Focal platform if you are looking for a website. That's all for today. See you again another time.